Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel. For those who have subscribed, I want to say thank you. And for those who are yet to subscribe, I want to say click the subscribe button. Uh, Click on the notification bell so you get to know every time that I drop a new video. Yeah, so today I'll be talking about the document checklist you need to immigrate into a country of your choice as a student. Yeah. So I've been getting a lot of emails asking me what do I need to do, what are the documents that I need to immigrate as a student. So the US, the UK, to Europe. Yeah. So today I'll be addressing that. Number one thing is you must have been a student previously in your country. Yeah. So the number one thing that you want to do is once you identify the country in which you want to go study, either the UK, the US, Germany, wherever you want to study, that's okay. You need the same documents. I mean, the major documents. Number one is you need your academic transcript from your previous institution. Now, you know what the transcript is. It contains your name, your date of birth, and your grades, the courses you took at this university, and your GPA, right? So you want to get your transcript from your previous institution. Yeah, and I'll tell you what, once you identify the country and you identify a school you want to attend, then you want to check the requirements in the schools. Now, getting your transcript is not all. Some school requires that you evaluate your credentials with an educational body like WES, WES. Now, their website is wes.org, O-R-G, wes.org. Now, this is a body that evaluates credentials. Yeah, we have a host of others, but this is the most popular one. And yeah, they evaluate for the US and they also evaluate for Canada. So now, if you are intending to immigrate to Canada as a student or come to Canada as a student, you want to make sure you pick the right country when you're evaluating your credentials. You understand that? Yeah. So that's number one thing you want to do once you identify your school, once you identify a country, and you know, okay, this is the country I want to go to. Then you want to now look for schools in that country. Now, once you get schools in that country, the next thing you want to do, you want to check the requirement of the school. Now, as I said before, some school requires that you evaluate your credentials, while some do not require you to evaluate your credentials. Your previous institution, the transcript you get from that school is enough to get you an admission decision by the admission office. Now, moving forward, the next thing you want to do is get your statement of purpose. Now, what's your statement of purpose? This is a document that is an essay that you write by yourself. Now, this is where you state what you can do. You talk about why you want to further your school and or why you're picking a particular course and how it's gonna affect you or how it's gonna meet your end goal. Probably you want to study accounting. Now, you want to tell them why you picked accounting and why you want to further take a master's degree or a PhD degree or whatever degree you want to come take, say for example in the US, then what are your end goal? What do you want to do with this degree? Now that is the content of a statement of purpose. However, I'm going to be making a video on how to write an excellent statement of purpose. Yeah. So this is what the admission office look at and be like, okay, this person is a worthy candidate to study here in our university, right? So you get a statement of purpose, and now moving forward, the next thing you want to do is get a recommendation letter or a reference letter from someone that know you really well. Now, when I say somebody that know you really well, I'm not talking about your family members. I'm not talking about your friends. I'm talking about in a professional capacity. Yeah, basically. So you want to look at someone like a previous employer, a professor who you worked under, your lecturer in school. Yeah, basically, those are really good ones that can help you boost your profile or your credential for getting an admission decision, a favorable admission decision from the admission office. So you want to look at your supervisor, your previous supervisor, or someone you worked under, an employer, your manager, a professor which you worked with, a lecturer in your school. Now, these ones have a corporate email address. What I mean by a corporate email address is say for example, my name is Gabriel, and I want to be your recommender. I'd rather have an email that says Gabriel at, say, I'm an employer in a company, ABC company. Yeah, I could go like my email. I just could go like Gabriel at abc.com. Not the usual free email addresses that we have like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail. Not those ones. These are corporate email address. They help you boost your profile, your credential, your application. Yeah, so you want to have someone that has an email address as such. Yeah, that's it. Lastly, what you need to do, lastly, you pick a university, you go to the website, look at the admissions criteria. There's a general admission criteria for international students, and there's one for the resident of that country. So you want to look at the admissions requirements. You want to visit the faculty of the school or the program which you are applying to. Say, for example, as an accounting student, for me, I want to go to the business department where I get to see my professors, I get to see my course requirements, and even my credits. Yeah. So that way you can understand that, okay, this is where I am coming to, this is what they do, these are the courses they have. So once you identify that, the next thing you want to do is put in your application. Yeah, before I forget, some school do require that you write standardized exams like TOEFL, IELTS, GMAT, GRE. Yeah, so you want to check that requirement as well. So yeah, sometimes it's waived. Sometimes some schools are really strict on you writing these exams. But then again, if you write a GMAT, if you write the GMAT exam or you write the GRE exam, it makes you competitive. And if there is a scholarship, then of course you stand a good chance of getting one of those. So that's gonna be that on the document checklist that you need to apply to a university as a as an international student, right? Well, if you're looking at a country like Germany or other European countries which are really free, yeah, they have free tuition. You want to look at Germany, you want to look at Norway, you want to look at Denmark, you want to look at Finland, yeah. Yeah, but some of this country requires that you have a blocked account. Like Germany, the last time I checked, you are required to have a blocked account. I don't know if that has changed already. Yeah, so that is it on that. And don't wait no more. Put in your application, and I'm sure something good will come out. Thank you.